Alright, this is horseplay with Opa Jerry.
Oh! Oh, I got it!
Poor Opa.
No, not poor Opa.
Not poor Opa.
Oh, you got my comb. Comb your hair.
No.
No. Wait, no.
Luca, what you doing with Opa's comb?
In the fire,
Do my hair.
You're not going to put it in the fire.
No, do my hair.
Do Opa's hair. Comb Opa's hair, Luca.
Let me do more.
Yes, you comb.
Luca, comb Opa's hair.
No.
No.
What's he doing? He's combing Opa's feet.